Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to turn any website into an app on a Mac. To turn websites into apps, so you can access them from Dock, from Spotlight Search, or from Launchpad, you just need to open Safari. It works only with Safari, so open the Safari browser, then open the website that you want to save. And now when you are on the website, click on File, Add to Dock. Then you can change the name. And I do not suggest changing the URL because it may be unavailable when you change it. And then click on Add. And now you can see that your app is added to the dock. It is also in the Launchpad and also in Spotlight Search, which you can access by clicking on Command Space. So let's search for HardReset. You can see you can click on that and it opens like an app. It looks like an app, not like a web browser, and you can continue to use it. So that's how you do it, and I'm gonna also show you how to delete the app. To delete it from dock, click on it with 2 fingers or with right click just to open the context menu, then go to options and unselect keep in dock. Then when you quit out of the app, it will be hidden, but it will still be in Launchpad. So to delete it from here, just slide it to the trash and then click on remove. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.